How to replace the M.2 SSD mini card.
Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal: remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the M.2 SSD mini card to the standoff in the top cover, and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the M.2 SSD mini card by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the M.2 SSD mini card in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: grasp the M.2 SSD mini card by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the M.2 SSD mini card with the key in the M.2 SSD mini card slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the M.2 SSD mini card into its slot on the system board. Press the M.2 SSD mini card down and replace the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw to secure the M.2 SSD mini card to the standoff in the top cover. Continue the reassembly. Replace the battery and base enclosure.